SSC Junior Engineer Recruitment 2024 966 posts. SSC Junior Engineer Recruitment 2024 notification in Civil, Mechanical, Electrical Engineering discipline. Last date is 28th of April 2024. SSC Junior Engineer Recruitment 2024 notification. The Staff Selection Commission (SSC) has released a job notification for 966 numbers of junior engineers in civil, electrical, and mechanical for various ministries or departments or organizations in the Government of India. Eligible candidates may apply online. The last date is 18th of April 2024. And the exam names: SSC Junior Engineers for Civil, Mechanical, and Electrical Examination 2024. These are the number of posts: 966, departments-wise vacancy. Number 1, Border Routes Organization or BRO, Civil, Electrical, and Mechanical. Number 2, Central Public Works Department or CWPD, Civil and Electrical. Number 3, Central Water Commission in Civil and Mechanical. Number 4, Brahmaputra Board, Civil. Number 5, Faraka Barak Project FBP, Civil Electrical. Number 6, Military Engineer Service MES in Civil Electrical and Mechanical. Number 7, National Technical Research Organization NTRO in Civil. Number 8, Central Water and Power Research Station, Civil and Electrical. These are the number of posts: 966, department-wise vacancy. So number 1, Border Routes Organization BRO in Civil, Electrical, and Mechanical. Number 2, Central Public Works Department CWPD in Civil and Electrical. Number 3, Central Water Commission in Civil and Mechanical. Number 4, Brahmaputra Board in Civil. Number 5, Faraka Barak Project FBP, Civil Electrical. And number 6, Military Engineer Service MES in Civil, Electrical, and Mechanical. Number 7, National Technical Research Organization NTRO in Civil. Number 8, Central Water and Power Research Station in Civil and Electrical. And number 9, DGQA Naval Ministry of Defense in Electrical and Mechanical. And the age limit for the Central Public Works Department CWPD, upper age limit is up to 32 years, and for the others 30 years as on 1st of August 2024. The upper age relaxation is up to 3 years for OBC and 5 years for SC, ST, and 10 years for PWD candidates. And others up to 30 years, salary pay level 6, rupees 35,400 to 1,12,400 of the pay matrix of 7 Central Pay Commission. Essential qualification for Central Water Commission: degree or diploma in respective branch of engineering from a recognized university or institute. And for MES, Border Routes Organization or BRO, or these are the requirement: degree in respective branch of engineering from a recognized university, or 3 years diploma in respective branch of engineering from a recognized institute or university or both, and 2-year experience in planning, execution, and maintenance of concerned engineering works. For others, diploma in respective branch of engineering from a recognized university or institution. How to apply for SSC Junior Engineer Recruitment 2024? Interested and eligible candidates may apply online through the SSC recruitment portal or ssc.gov.in from 28th of March 2024 to 18th of April 2024. Apply online for SSC Junior Engineering Recruitment 2024 direct link. The tentative schedule of the computer-based examination, Paper 1, that is 4th of June 2024 to 6th of June 2024. And the tentative schedule of the computer-based examination, Paper 2, to be notified later. So application fee for general and OBC candidates are as 100 rupees. And for the SC, ST, women ex-service, nil. and applicants are advised to go through the SSC Junior Engineer Recruitment 2024 official notification, and this link will be given on my description box below.